We had someone donate this 4x8 half-inch thick piece of steel plate, and it was on a table frame, and we're gonna use that as a fabrication table to assemble the chassis. Last year we didn't have that, and we had to lay it out best we could on the floor, and that caused some problems with symmetry and things like that. So right now we are working on prepping the legs that it was previously on to put casters on it. That there is part of the old table. We cut it off right about here, and then we're gonna make it a short table. It'll sit maybe 10 inches, 8 to 10 inches off the ground, and that way we can stand on it and work around it, and have somewhere that we can assemble the chassis without needing to break everything down and move it out of the shop, because it is a shared space. They have classes in there and things like that. So when we're working on the chassis, we'll be able to work on it on the table and move the whole table out without having to reset up where we have everything lined up ready to weld. This is last year's vehicle. It's just hanging out outside the connex space, but that's what we're doing with the workday today. This is the vertical bandsaw where I'm cutting some tabs to mount the table to the frame. This is me leveling the frame so our table is level when we're working on it, and also prepping it for some general support welds. Here I am grinding down some mounting plates that will attach our casters to the legs of the table, and it'll fit on the bottom of them where they'll be bolted. This is me welding the plates for the casters onto the cutoff table legs, and those table legs connect to the casters like this, and then the finished table frame looks like this. The frame is then bolted to the table with countersunk holes in the table's surface, so when we're working on it there's a flush, there's no bumps there that are going to bother us. And then we'll use two edges as datum surfaces and tack our jigs to the surface.